Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to lodge a public grievance online. So this is online public grievance lodging system. So this is referred to as Centralized Public Grievance Redress and Monitoring System CPGRAMS. So you can lodge a complaint against any central government department like Postal Services, Department of Telecommunication, Banking, Insurance, external affairs, and petroleum and natural gas. So there are a lot of departments, ministries that we say, for which if you're not satisfied or you have any problems with the service, you can directly go and lodge a public grievance through this portal. So you first approach the respective department personally. You face some issues that is not resolved, and you are disappointed with any of the service, you can directly go and lodge a public grievance here. This will be, taken care seriously through the higher officials. The complaint directly is, sent to the head of the departments, and proper resolution is taken. So you get a call, and they, give a proper response for your complaints. So what we are going to see today is like how to register yourself online, how to, register a new complaint against any department or ministries, and how to check the status of the complaint. So let's go to the video and see the full details. So lodge Google and you can search for Pgportal. So this is like a public grievance portal. So this is referred to as CPGRAMS. So this is the proper web link here, pgportal.gov.in. So this page, this is the search which you have to select option. So once you click on this link, you are directed to the Pgportal homepage. So in the homepage, you have you can see a lot of options here. Like first, they have given like how to view the status here. So if you have the registered number, complaint number. So once you lodge a grievance, you get a registered registration number. So the reference number. So that you can enter here, or with your mobile number and security code, this code you can go and check the status of the complaint that you have registered. Then you have the nodal officers contacts here, like central government. So all the central government nodal officers email ID and contact number with the name is given here. So in case your grievance is not solved properly, you can just directly approach these nodal officers for additional resolution. And if you have a complaint against the state government also, you have the state government contact details here, like you have the mobile number, email ID, and officers details here. So you can also directly approach them in case you didn't get a proper resolution here. So here they have described the complete process, how the complaint goes, where, how, and how it is processed. Everything you can detail here, see here. And grievance, you have lodge a public grievance option, lodge a pension grievance. So pension, they have a separate portal here. So to maintain and manage the pension related complaints, they have separate website maintained here. So for that, you have to log into a different website and create your complaint. So all other general public grievance can be lodged here. So you can view the status. You can send a reminder in case your complaint is pending for a long time. You can send a reminder, and also create the grievance. So nodal authority. So in case you have lodged, you have approached the bank, you didn't get a proper resolution, you posted an online public grievance, still you are not satisfied, you approach the nodal officers, no resolution, then you can directly approach the do appeal to the nodal authority here. So these are the list of officers, and with their email address and phone numbers whom you can approach. So registration, so you can directly register here. So you have to register with all your details, name. You need a valid mobile number and email address to get yourself registered for this website, to use this website. And you have a option to select if you are ex-serviceman or no. Yes, you have to give your department. Like if I'm selecting yes, you have to select which service you were, and the service number you have to enter and register yourself. So once you register, you get a email link. So I'll show you that how that process works. So once that is done, you can directly log in here. So I didn't see the login option. So once you log in, you are presented with the home page here. So in the home page, you see the dashboard of details of the complaints you have lodged. So you see the total number of complaints lodged, how many has been closed, and how many is in process. So trust me, guys. So this is complaints lodged in the grievance system is taken seriously, and it reaches till the top management, and from there it flows down to the local teams, and from there they check with the concerned department and try to give a proper resolution for your complaint. So don't worry. Whenever you have any problems again any departments, you can directly go and lodge a complaint here. So lodge a public grievance, select the option here. So there are like some agreements you have to like click select and say that, oh, this is not related to RTI, this is not court related, so this is not religious related and any officers related. So other than that, everything can be lodged here. So when you submit, you are presented with like options here. So major complaints are against these departments, so they have created these categories. Else like we have to go, earlier the page was like you have to directly go and select the department, but now they have like given the option directly to select the department from where the major complaints they go, like post, telecommunications, banking services, insurance, school education, everything. So these are the main categories where like a lot of complaints are getting filed. So you can select your choice wherever you are facing issues. So external affairs, in case you are having any issues with the passports and everything, uh, you can lodge a complaint here. You have anything related to road, highways and everything, tolls, everything. So you can click here. So major problem is like banking. So I can select a banking here. So I'll go here and select say, okay, I have a deficiency in customer service. So I have requested some service and that was not given properly. So I'll say delay in service, okay, and you have option to select all the banks here. So I have a list of banks here. So you can select your bank and branch details. You can enter here. So here you need to enter your detailed description of what is the complaint, which officer you have met, which department you went, and what was the service that was not given. Everything you have to mention it here. And in case you have any copy or any supporting documents, you have to have that document that the in only a PDF file with 4 MB size is allowed. So whatever documents you have, you have to scan it and keep it with yourself. And once you are done here, you go to next page. So next page it's asks, this is the option recently given like COVID. You say yes or no. So if it is related to COVID, the action will be taken very seriously. If not, so it will be like appropriately in a regular fashion your complaint will be resolved. So here you get the summary and get all the details of your address and everything. And this is user dashboard. I was thinking to show you the registration page, right? Terms and condition, everything is done here. So I have a PPT presentation. So in that presentation, I can show you all the workflow here again. So this was the page that we saw. This is registration page where we registered as a user. You have to register first and you can lodge a complaint on behalf of anyone, like your relatives, your friends, anyone. If they are facing any complaint and you think that you can help them, you can just log into this page and you can file a complaint for them. So you have registered here, you get a email link. Through this email link, you have to click this email link and you'll be asked to create a new password. And once password is created, you can go and log in here with your mobile, whatever the user profile you have created. Based on that, you can log in here, security code. So once you log in, this is the page you see. So I have shown you how to lodge a public grievance. You select this option, go and select which department you have complaint, select the department and select the complaint details here. So a lot of categories are there, bank, everything, what exactly you want to complain, everything is given here. You can select the appropriate options and file a complaint and give a proper and simple description for them to understand what is your complaint. And once this is the summary page, and here you have to enter the personal information of the complainant. So for whom you are complaint, if it is on for you self, if you are complaining, then this is by default. As you registered, this details will be populated here. If you are registering the complaint on behalf of someone else, then you have to enter their name and their address, phone number, everything, so that all the contact information related to this complaint are directed to that respective person. So, and this is the status check. As I said, you have to enter the registration number. You get a registration number of the complaint, and that complaint you have to note it down. You get a SMS and the email also, and your registered mobile number. You enter the security code here. You get the status. So, I will lodge a complaint against State Bank of India. So, the the complaint is under process and is directed to the general manager, and the email address is also there. So from here your complaint is taken care by the respective authorities. So this is, let me show you. So this is the registration number. So I have lodged a lot of complaints. You see registration numbers. So take a note of this, and based on this you can follow up your complaints. So in case you have any comments, means doubts, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Please subscribe to my channel and share this, like and share it with your friends who have some issues with the government authorities, central government authorities, and don't know what to do. So this is the right solution. So you go to the portal, registered, and lodge a complaint, and you get a proper resolution. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and sure I'll meet you in a new video. Bye, see you.